Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Where Winds Meet and the game won't launch on your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix Where Winds Meet not launching on your computer easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to close Epic Games up, and then you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here run, you're going to write here app data, you're going to go into local here, you're going to find Epic Games launcher here, go into saved, and just delete this folder called web cache. This folder has your cache, so just delete that folder and it will regenerate the cache next time you launch Epic Games Launcher on your computer. And now when you come here and try to launch Raven's Meet, you will see that your game will work correctly. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.